all the St. John members, today I would like to conduct an in-house training class for St. John Ambulance. Okay, so today I will introduce to you what is triangular bandage. Let's follow my lesson. Well, a triangular bandage is used as an arm sling or as a pack to control bleeding. It may also be used to support or immobilize an injury to a bone or joint, or as improvised padding over a painful injury. A tabular gauze bandage is used to retain a dressing on a finger or toe. This is the sample for triangular bandage. Hi to all the St. John members. How are you now? Today we want to have online co-curriculum. So our main objective is to learn how to make triangular bandage. So please enjoy the video class.
Extra. Lún ngâm ngâm. Must we have an extra? Yes. Okay. Okay. Second, like this. Third one. So you need to know how to fold the triangular bandage. So continue, just fold like this. Okay, after that, okay, like this. Why we say we need to leave some space here? Why? Because you see, if we want to open this triangular bandage, we just take here and like this, then can open. Okay? So now everyone take out your triangular bandage.